I also met with a lot of the engineers at Camunda, and they had a UX lab I went into, and it turns out that some of the things that are coming in the next version, which I think is third quarter,
Hmm.
is this sort of advanced auditing capability of your ad hoc sub-processes. So like you deploy these agents, but what the heck are the agents doing? Why are they making the choices they make?
Yeah.
What input, decision points did they have to do what they did? And so, like right now, a lot of it's not very transparent, but now Camunda is working on bringing this transparency out so we could audit the decisions underneath. The other thing that they're going to add is, at least I asked for this, and I think they're looking at it, is this idea of reporting the credit usage of the models. So like when you're
Oh,
using all these agents, you're deploying all this stuff through you might want to know, hey, what are these various agents costing us? Like what are the models in terms of credits? Why is our AWS bill going through the roof? We need to know these sort of things.
yeah.
And that brings up another point that is starting to become a reality for a lot of organizations is if you have an ad hoc sub process, say we'll bring it to Camunda, you have an ad hoc sub
Actually,
process.
let me stop you. What is an ad hoc sub process for those of us, for people who
Oh,
may be
so
listening
it's
who
it's
don't know?
essentially a process that has a lot of sub steps in it, and the agent or the LLM at the top decides how to delegate. If that agent has an LLM that's like the latest Claude model, the most
Hmm.
expensive advanced model, but you're just asking it something really simple
Right.
with a simple prompt, well, you don't need that expensive one. Why burn those credits? Use an older, less expensive model and
Exactly.
save the money, especially if this is a high usage process where you have thousands of them a week or a month happening. You really don't want to pay for that for just something simple that an old, less expensive one. So that's something to start looking at. And I think these new features that are coming out will help bring that to the
Yeah.
to the front so that you could be more aware of what's going on underneath the hood.